at the Apple Store, like I said, 5th person in line, 6th person's coming up, I think. And he's going to make a reservation order. I think I'm either making a reservation or skip the 11 today. I don't know which one I'm going to do. I might get the, I don't know. I don't even think I'll let me reserve 2 phones at once. We'll see. If they do, then I'll just transfer my reservation order from the iPhone 11 Pro here and then buy the iPhone 5 here as well at the same time. Said that we might be starting at 7, so hopefully it's 7 because not it might be out. Spot, so that's gonna suck. A lot of people are coming out, a lot of team members are coming out. Alright, y'all, quick update, 6:27, almost 7 o'clock, 33 minutes. And I think 4 more people tried it, so we got 9 people online. So this is open, we're doing reservations at 7 o'clock. This is a small reservation line. There's a lot of people out. It's DC, so you know you got tourists and everything everywhere, just walking, exploring. But it's not as expected. I thought it was gonna be a line, a huge line. Maybe at different locations, different stores. This is more of a newer store, and then most people don't even know that's a store because it used to be a library. But I think it still is a library. So that's another treasure about this store. So check in a little bit later to see if we can start reservations. So they're setting up. I think they're going to do pickups first. Alright, I'll talk to you about pickups. And then they're going to, I don't know. I don't quite know what they're talking about. Trying to be nosy. But I heard them talking about people with pickups first. And they might go from there. Let them go in first. So they might be actually opening up at 7. That would be good. Cool. More people. So this is the starting line. Back of the line. Hasn't got that much longer. It's getting longer. Still a good, decent amount of people for this release. It's crazy. I wanted to go into one of those. I kind of want to go into one of those New York type of release with California. But California technically gets it like 3 hours after DC's got it, so I think I'm gonna stay on the East Coast for all the releases I go to. I also want to go to a few Samsung release, even though they're not as popular per se. And even the Pixel one. Pixel 4 should be coming out, so I might be trying to stay tuned for that one. Since it already came out, I'm gonna try next year with that. But now, it's chill. It's cold. Well, it's not cold, it's chilly. But it's chill. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. How are you doing?
Good.
We're going to sort the line. If you have a reservation for 8 o'clock, we're going to move you up. So we'll just go one by one here real quickly, okay? Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Reservation or are you just... Okay, for 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
Great. Right this way, okay?
Reservation?
No reservation?
No reservation. No.
Reservation?
Anyone with a reservation?
Hi. Do you have a reservation already made?
Reservation pass is starting at 7. So you'll get, I imagine, review pass. Cool.
You said so. What starts at 7?
We'll issue you reservations.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then y'all open at 8.
Right.
Okay. If I had a reservation for to send to my house, could I modify it for here, or y'all have to check?
Oh. If it's being sent to your house, you could log into the Apple online store, cancel it, and create a reservation if we have it.
If you have it?
Now the wrinkle is if it's shipped or not. Do you know if it's shipped?
It hasn't shipped.
Okay.
But I don't want to cancel it, and then as soon as I reserve it, then it's...
Yeah, I would wait and see if we have it, and then if we do, you can make a reservation and then work on canceling it.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
once it ships though, you get charged and it's a lot trickier.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you. Alright, so it's hard because I think you can only reserve one phone. And I don't want to reserve a phone that I already have coming to my house. So I think I'm gonna just let it stay. Bro's the only person that has a reservation of good point right there. I do get hands on Pro. I do want to check to see how Filmic Pro can record all 3 at once. I don't know if the updates already came out or if they're still working on it. So so it's fine. That's cool. And it has 4K in the front camera, so camera quality is gonna be way better. So that's chill.
What are you thinking about getting this morning?
The Pro.
The Pro?
256.
Okay.
256.
Midnight green.
Midnight green?
Midnight green.
A lot of midnight green fans. It looks nice.
I'm getting the space gray. I gotta be different.
It's the first year I've gone back to space gray, and like I've worked
Really?
for Apple for 9 years.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, I've been a store leader for Apple for 9 years. I just moved here last year from Chicago, but yeah, and all of them look great.
Okay.
We're excited. We will make sure in about 10 minutes or
10 minutes,
so
11.
we'll issue in-store reservations for product. Is everybody planning on wanting to be here when we open at 8?
I'm gonna probably leave. I'm gonna just be.
You want to leave and come back?
That's when we
Yeah.
get done.
You just want to get it done. So you want to make a later reservation? Just reserve it and come back?
Yeah, come back.
Okay, sounds good. All right, we'll make sure we take care of everybody. Okay.
What about the Apple Watch? Nobody came for the Apple Watch? Nobody? No? No Apple Watches? Everybody, the Series 5 is not getting love this year. Like, no one wants to.
It's because Apple's giving me only like $100 for my watch.
Oh, you
Last
got the
year they gave me
Series 4?
250, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm like, it's not worth it.
Right. And then, like, the only thing you pretty much added was a compass. They added a compass
Always on display.
and an always on display, and then you're like, yeah, it's a new watch. No, that should have been in the original.
$250, then yeah, I would have done it. But give me $100 and this watch is barely a year old.
Yeah. Only one was at reservation line. I do glass repairs and everything, but other than that, I just do basic repairs.
Good, how are you?
So what about the?
Let's see what we can do for you today. Which phone were you interested in?
Now you good?
The iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Pro Max, Big Bang.
Yeah.
Hi.
Gold, how
What are
many
we wanting to reserve today?
iPhone 11 Pro.
256?
The Pro or Pro Max?
Pro.
Pro.
Have you seen the Midnight Green
I have.
in person?
Yes.
You like it?
And is there
That's
a
what I was going to
carrier
get no matter what.
Come on.
That's my kind of my thing. So yeah.
color?
So if we still have that, yeah, let's just put gold. Cool. So
Midnight green and 256.
Did you want a screen protector?
Okay, so
or any
iPhone
other
11 Pro
accessories?
256 Midnight Green unlocked. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
You cool me recording?
Yep.
All right, cool. Got my reservation. This is the line. All right, y'all. Nice meeting y'all. See y'all later. All right, so I got the 11 Pro. The 11 Reserve 64 in green, and I'm looking forward to that one. So that should be sweet. It should be cool, and I get to get in around 4 o'clock. So I'm about to head back. I guess head to work or whatever, and get everything done for today. So I see y'all once I'm back. All right, guys. Whoa. my bad. All right, guys. So I got to work. About to head in and start working. Do all the essential stuff, and then we're gonna head back to the Apple store afterwards. I like that lighting coming in though. It looks like no one's here. Like, I know I'm early, but I'm not too early. So I'm going to work and have a good day at work. And after that, go at 4. I was gonna try to go earlier, but I'm not gonna be able to go on my lunch break because I got a computer repair I gotta go to. So that's that. And then, yeah, what else? This door unlocked. This one up. After that, get the phone, test it out, unbox it, do all that stuff. There's no one here, and my lighting is good. All right, guys, so I'm back at the Apple store. I am late, but my reservation should still buy. Sydney is here with me. He's trying to get the Pro Max. I'll see how that works. And we'll let you know from there. So you got the line right here. Whew, that thing's long. So, I'll be right there. Anything you gotta say, Sid?
6:30 time window.
Good, bro.
Pick up.
You got it?
Pen.
Alright, yo, I got my man sit the phone.
Yeah.
Glad he came up. He didn't get the reservation, but you know, he still got the.
We still pull through.
Huh? You said put you in a video. Hey. Both got our phone, you know, we about to head out, we about to unbox it. So I'm gonna post this. Y'all gonna see it, put the review. We gonna get some nice shots in. I'm gonna try to get them in today. I might just unbox it in the car. I don't know, but we'll see. What's going on, guys? So got the iPhone 11.